In today's video, I am going to show you two blending effects you can try in Capcut. So to start with, first of all, import your clips onto the timeline with the sky clip on top of the ocean clip, and adjust them to have the same length since one seems to be a bit longer than the other. Perfect. Now select the sky clip and go to mask, then select horizontal mask. With the horizontal mask selected, place it at the point where the sky and the sea meet. To make it look more cinematic and real, select the ocean clip. Go to adjustment, then adjust it in such a way that both the ocean and our new sky will have the same look or the same color, which is blue. Perfect. You are good to go. Go to library and add a black background. Then add the default text. Then type anything you want. Choose the font and size that you want. After that, select both clip. Then press Alt-G to create a compound clip. Now, import your new clip and put it on top layer. With your new clip selected, go to blend, then select multiply. You can freely adjust the clip to your liking or the way that you want. Now, select both clip once again, then press Alt-G to create a compound clip. After you finish creating the compound clip, go to Effects, then search for Water Ripple, then apply it to the clip. You can freely adjust the size, twist, and speed to your liking or to your perfection. You are good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section below. See you in the next video.